Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Students, today our topic is about air and the sense balance. First of all, we will see what are the learning objectives of our lessons to understand the structure of air. Today we will discuss basically the structure of the air. Diagnostic assessment students, what know first about this topic, what is function of air, how balance of sense maintain in your body. Do you know students? If you know, then tell me in my inbox. Understanding student, first of all, our ear detects sound energy. First of all, we will discuss what is the function of the ear. Our ears detect sound energy. Ear controls sense of balance. The ear is advanced and very sensitive organ of the human body. Ear function basically is to transmit and transduce sound to brain. They send message to the brain. Then our brain interpret this message and we can listen everything. Parts of the ear. Basically, the human ear consists of three main parts. Keep it in mind. Number one, outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Three main parts of the ear: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. First of all, we will discuss about the outer ear. The outer part of the ear is called outer ear or a pinna. This is known as also pinna. It collects sound waves coming from the moving objects. Eardrum separates external ear from the middle ear. We can see in the diagram. Students, next we will discuss about the middle ear. It consists of three bones, anvil, hammer, strip. They transmit vibration through the middle ear. And the last, inner ear, it contains the organs of sense and balance. Basically, where the organs of sense and balance present, these organs are present in the inner ear. Okay? And next, cochlea. It is a hollow spiral shaped bone found in inner ear that roll in sense of hearing. Students, what is function of cochlea? It is a spiral bone shape and its function is in sense of hearing and balance in your body. You can see three main parts in the diagram, students. The outer ear, you can see it is also known as pinna, and in the center of the middle ear you can see the eardrum. We separate the outer ear from the inner ear. And in the last you can see the inner ear, in which you can see the hollow shape bone. This is known as cochlea, which function is the hearing and sense of balance. Next one, students, sense of balance. How our body maintain our sense of balance, how we can stand. Basically, three semicircular canals in your ear are not concerned with hearing. They help in balance. It's mean these three semicircular canals just not concerned with hearing, but also help in balance in your body. They also set right angle to each other so that no matter how head is moved up and down or right, the fluid in the canal will also move. The pressure of this fluid stimulates the sensitive hairs within the canals to send message to the brain. Basically, when the fluid in these semicircular canals move, then you can stand up and you can control your body movements. You can sit, you can stand through this function. So students, this is all about our today's lecture. This is very important lecture. All students will draw the diagram of ear on your notebook and your submitting task. Thank you.